Digital Discovery Workshops are live virtual programs. They're 40 minutes long that connect your students with our Pacific Science Center educator. During those programs, we get to share demonstrations, guide students through different activities and interactives, lead them in discussions throughout many different STEM topics. Pacific Science Center has been really excited to partner with Smart Technologies to create these Lumio lessons because we are trying to really make sure that our STEM education is accessible to all different students and teachers across the country and beyond. Each Digital Discovery Workshop comes also with a teacher toolkit. So that teacher toolkit is going to give you pre and post resources, things that you can do with your students before and after. That includes activity guides, career videos, reading lists with related books, and Lumio resources, which are our interactive lessons that teachers can do synchronously or asynchronously with their students online. For more information on Digital Discovery Workshops and Lumio lessons, click the link in the description below.